Hi, today we are going to talk about a new lesson, negative adverbials, so please pay attention. What are negative adverbials? Negative adverbs and negative adverbials are a group of words that function as an adverb and they are used to modify the meaning of a verb, adjective, other adverb or an entire clause in a negative way. So their main purpose is to give a negative impact or effect to a verb or an adjective or another adverb and so on. Like all adverbs, they usually answer questions about manner, place, time or degree. When negative adverbials are used at the beginning of sentences, they require one to invert the following subject and verb. We are going to talk about this point later on. Here are some examples. Only then did I realize my error. Never before have I seen such beauty. Seldom do I eat fast food. As you notice, the words in red are the negative adverbials. Here is a list of negative adverbials. Hardly, hardly ever, barely, no sooner, only now, only once, not once, never, rarely, seldom, little, scarcely. Okay, how to use negative adverbials? This is extremely important, so please pay attention. If the negative adverbial is not at the beginning, we use normal word order, which means that we start with the subject and then the verb. So here is an example. I have seldom seen such beautiful flowers. Seldom is the negative adverbial. It's not at the beginning of the sentence, so I start with the subject I. Then I write the verb have, so it's a helping verb or an auxiliary verb, and then I write the negative adverbial, then the main verb seen and the rest of the sentence. If the negative adverb or adverb phrase is at the beginning of a sentence, we use inverted word order, which means that we start with the verb, then the subject. So here I have started with the negative adverbial seldom. So I cannot say seldom, I have seen, I have to invert the order, I have to start with the verb, so I have to use have first. So seldom have I seen such beautiful flowers. If you notice that the verbs are in yellow, the subjects are in blue, and the negative adverbials are in red, so it will make it easier for you to understand it. If you didn't start with the negative adverbials, start with the subject, then verb. If you have started with the negative adverbial, we have to start with the verb first and then the subject.